Dear friends and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important social science chapter question answers, that is chapter number 23, collective behavior and protests. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 23 ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಕೇಳಲಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ದೊರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 23 ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Sociology, chapter number 23, collective behavior and protest. Main question number 1. Answer the following questions in one word or sentences each. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್? ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಎ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ social platforms that enables people to showcase their needs and visions. Next question, what is a mob? What is a mob? Right answer, assembly of people surrounding a common interest without any expectations is called mob. Next question, what do you mean by environmental pollution? What do you mean by environmental pollution? Right answer, the soil, air, water and biosphere getting populated with toxin and chemicals is called environmental pollution. Next question number 4, what is the meaning of movement? What is the meaning of movement? When collective behavior is organized and directed towards a special goal to bring about social change, it is called a movement. Next question, what is the meaning of rights? Right answer, violence and destructive nature of mob behavior is called rights. Next question, why was the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha formed in 1930? Right answer, thousands of tribal people were displaced due to the mining activities. Question number 7, why did the Narmada Bachao Andolana begin? Why did the Narmada Bachao Andolana begin? Right answer, the construction of dam would affect the sensitive ecological balance of their river Narmada. What is the meaning of collective behavior? What is the meaning of collective behavior? The behavior of human beings in group is called collective behavior. List out the behavioral patterns of human beings. Right answer, mobs, rumors, propaganda, public opinion, revolution, social movements. Next question, there is a lot of protest against the Silent Valley project. Why? Right answer, the building of the dam threatened the sensitive economical balance of Silent Valley. Next question, people of Mangaluru opposed the Mangaluru refineries and petrochemical limited. Why? Right answer, these industries discharged harmful chemicals into the sea, threatening the local environment. Next question. Who is the leader of the Narmada Bachao Andolan movements? Medha Patkar. What is the self-help groups? Self-help group is derived from self-awareness, self-motivations, and mutual trust to fulfill the economic and social necessities by their own efforts and cooperation. Next question. Who is the leader of the Chipko movement? Who is the leader of the Chipko movement? Right answer, Sundarlal Bahugun and Chand Prasad Bata were the leaders of Chipko movements. Main question number 2. Answer the following questions. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. First question. What is a mob? Give an example. What is a mob? Give an example. The assembly of people around a common interest without any expectations or planning is called mob. Example. A group of people assembled near a tree to buy a ticket. Describe the nature of mob. Right answer, it is temporary assembly of people. The people assemble at specific place. They easily influenced by mutual feelings and opinion. They also display the suppressed feeling. Sometimes mob leads violent form. Next question. Describe the nature of riots. Riots do not have any particular aim. They destroy everything in their ways. They create chaos. Riots can cause large-scale loss of property and lives. They become serious challenges for law and order. Next question. What were the causes for riots? What were the causes for riots? Right answer, provoking circumstance, individual uncontrolled behavior, uncivilized behavior, criminal intent of people, riotous mindset. Next question. What were the causes for environmental pollution? What were the causes for environmental pollution? Main causes for environmental pollution are unbridled growth of cities, proliferation of industries, technological progress, expansion of transport system, destroying forest. Question number 6. Explain the meaning and nature of the environmental movements. Right answer. The protest aimed at preserving the biological system regarding our earth is known as environmental movements. Nature of environmental movements. First, protecting the forest, protecting the wildlife, protecting the life of tribal people, protecting our earth planets. Question number 7. There was a movement opposing the Kaiga nuclear power plant. Why? Right answer, waste deforestation takes place. The threat of pollution from nuclear radiation threaten the numerous species in the ecosystem. ಇನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2019 ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, mob violence and anti-social activities. Why? It destroys public property, it creates confusion, spreads rumors, results in major deaths. Next question, explain the Chipko movement. Question number 9, explain the Chipko movement. The government had issued a license to cut 2,500 trees. People of Rainy village opposed this. The woman decided to use the trees in order to protect them so that the environmental remains protected. Due to the Chipko movement, the permission given to cut the trees was withdrawn. Next, last question. Explain the importance of women self-help groups. Explain the importance of women self-help groups. Right answer. It empowers women socially. It empowers women financially. It provides microfinance in major ways. It helps women to face atrocities. It provides democratic rights. It helps women to learn collective responsibility. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.